Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers who are going, my people. Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just going to jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, we have Foota Hype here on an Instagram interview. You see me I say, and Foota Hype was asked the question if Busy Signal is bigger than Vybz Kartel. And Foota Hype stated that Busy Signal is definitely bigger than Vybz Kartel because at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel don't have a song bigger than Watch Out For This. You see me I say, and we all know that song with Busy Signal do. You see me, Watch Out For This are the baddest lyrics. You see me I say people, and basically Foota Hype I say, yo, you be to that Busy Signal is definitely bigger than Vybz Kartel. So the individual where basically interview Foota Hype, I said, no, Foota Hype, that a lie, you can't say that because Busy Signal is not bigger than Vybz Kartel. You see me I say? So people, I want uno to drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section and all of this and tell me if uno think say, yo, Busy Signal is bigger than Vybz Kartel. And also basically people, tell me if uno really believes say, yo, Vybz Kartel don't have a song bigger than Watch Out For This. You see me I say? Because in my personal opinion, definitely Busy Signal is not bigger than Vybz Kartel. People just check the stats, check the hits them. You see me I say? Because basically most people I say at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel tune them then I go international while some other man tune I go international and baiting. But me can tell you this point blank and period say at the end of the day, Busy Signal is not bigger than Vybz Kartel. And really and truly, if you check the stats between Busy Signal and Vybz Kartel, you see me I say, there is no comparison. You see me I say, no competition, not there so people. But that is just my opinion. You see me I say, so I want to share full opinion down into the comment section on this situation. So check out the video.
Is Busy Signal a bigger artist than Vybz Kartel?
What you mean?
How?
What you mean how?
Stop. Where I use judge it?
What you mean when me a judge it?
Well I know because if I where I use judge it.
Let me ask you now. Kartel have one song big like Watch Out For This?
No. Watch Out
Me
For This is
ask
not
you a
busy
question.
song.
That's all me ask you.
Watch Out For This is not a busy song.
My youth, me ask you say.
Stop
If
do that.
Bro,
Watch Out For This is not a busy
answer
song.
one question, no man. Why you have to do this all the time? Answer the question. Kartel
Okay,
have
no.
one song big like Watch Out For This?
No.
Well, the argument is done. Next question.
All right. See, that's a me glad.
My brother, me no want go. You are here defending Vybz Kartel integrity. You don't have nothing to defend it. Busy.
Because you have spread lies on the internet, brother.
No, me
How is Busy
ask.
Signal
Well,
bigger
I
than
know.
Kartel?
Me ask you a question. The Kartel have one song. Big like Watch Out For This?
Major Lazer song. He's a feature
Bro,
artist and Major Lazer song.
Who sing the song?
He's a feature artist and Major
Who
Lazer
sing the
song.
song?
Major Lazer and Busy Signal.
Who sing the song?
Major Lazer and Busy Signal.
Who sing the song? Who for Vybz
Major
step on?
Lazer and Busy
Who for
Signal.
Vybz step on the rhythm, bro? Oi,
What?
who for Vybz step on the rhythm?
Major Lazer and Busy
May
Signal.
I ask you a question? Who for Vybz step on the rhythm?
Bro, I want to stop them something here.
See there you can't talk. A Busy sing the song whether Major Lazer Bill with him or not, it doesn't matter.
You already, brother.
Listen, Dave Kelly Bill alright, well per song. A film song? No, the artist song. Busy, Kartel, Vybz Kartel, one of the most beloved artists in a reggae and dancehall, don't have a song bigger than Watch Out For This. Next question.
Busy song. Busy is not a bigger artist than Vybz Kartel. Stop
Brother, me ask you a question. Say if Vybz Kartel have a song bigger than Watch Out For This, you said no. Let's move on to the next question.
So people, after hearing all of this for Foota Hype, just I say, you see me I say, what do you really think about it? You see me I say, because really and truly, a really Major Lazer really write the tune there, you see me I say, and also produce it to same speed, you see me I say, and really and truly, that not really matter still because you have a whole heap of artists, have a whole heap of hit song out there, and other people write it, give them, you see me I say, and basically when the tune go #1 or go worldwide, international to same speed, yeah, most of the time you need to hear about the right, you see me I say, so Foota Hype have a facts this. Yeah, and basically more time Foota Hype talks on some topic I agree with him, you see me I say, but basically on this topic I don't agree with him, because really and truly Busy Signal is not bigger than Vybz Kartel, you see me I say, and when Foota Hype a debate and say, yo, at the end of the day a Busy Signal sing the song, so it no matter if him write it or not, you see me I say, which is true. Yeah, and basically don't get me wrong, you know, people, Busy Signal is a well talented artist, and Busy Signal is also a big artist in a Jamaica to based on the caliber of tune them where him put out, you see me I say. So don't get me wrong when time me I say all of this like me I don't play Busy Signal, but at the end of the day, in my personal opinion, as well I said before, I don't think Busy Signal is bigger than Vybz Kartel, you see me I say. But really and truly people, here what I want to do, I want to drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section, as I said before, and all of this, yeah, and make me know what you think about it, you see me I say. But coming up in this other news now, people. Well, basically, we have Khago right here, you see me I say, and Khago has sent a message to all of the females them and all of the thugs them, you see me I say, and basically in another video where I go show you now, people, Khago will talk up a bag of facts, you see me I say, it's a very interesting reasoning, so I just want to check it out for yourself and tell me what you think about all of this where Khago has say down into the comment section.
Man is the one who hurt in a relationship when they break up. Woman just walk gone with a man. Or gone and no care. Because then don't go away with no heartache. Because they never respect you in the first place, so they never give nothing. See, brother, when you have a woman who respect you, if you even have a side girl, or you go out of one club, brother, you look around in the club 1,000 times, because you don't want hurt the one where I respect you. You don't want nobody go and say, you know, so I see John Tamp on the back road last night, him and Orange Stacy. No, you know that I got devastate your relationship. That I got broke your woman heart, brother. How? Ladies, please. The man them, I feel it. See, once you have somebody live, or you have somebody involved, you see, once you have somebody involved in a relationship, I could have 1 year. Please make it be the best 1 year you ever have. Please make it be the best 1 year him and you have. Because you see, when God send you your right person, you are going to know how to treat that individual. See? So me just tell you, say, there is nothing as bad experience, brother. Not none bad experience. Just treat all of your experience them good. And I can tell you, when Jaja send that right flowers, or that right hoe out of the bush, or that right tick for your hoe, brother, you are going to know, say, ladies, man don't like this. And typically, ladies, different from a man, dirty freaky side, because every man have a freaky side, you know. Every man and every human being have like a kinky side, you know. But go around and pushing your mouth on that dog shit. Don't make that be one of them. You hear, brother? Don't make that be one of them. Somehow know is an embarrassment and a letdown to the man them a road. And some of you boy we have no money and have no picking of them. You a let down no picking of them. See, if most man too entitled, what is woman lady? Are you there with that entitled man? Tap about most man. Look for me. So man, do it. Just go around and just nyam catches. See? Listen what me I say. Some girl come around and they not even smell good. Then talk way over in one corner this one you can smell them stinking mouth. Some girl come around and then teeth them in their mouth one fix and then fuck a million rich man. And then them will come and TikTok and a beg man, please. And you are going to take your blood clot nasty mouth, put on that nasty crutches. Me just I tell you, this is dirty Jamaica. See? Let me tell you something. You see, woman, you see when you know you have money, my youth, and you have status, you listen how one girl talk about other man. You hear, brother? Listen how they talk about other man and distance yourself from them and say,
So really and truly, people, enough things when me hear Khago say in the video, yeah, I definitely facts him attack. Because really and truly, if you really love somebody, you don't want to hurt them, you don't want to see them get hurt. You see me I say, while a couple of the things them what him say in the video, yeah, it kind of sound shaky to me, you see me I say, because basically, he must say, yo, every man have a freaky side and have a kinky side. And basically, in my opinion, that is not true. You see me I say, I don't know where Khago I think at the moment where he must say that, or it's because him have a freaky side or a kinky side, him think every man, you see me I say. But hear what people, more all of the females them and all of the males them drop on honest thoughts and all of this down into the comment section, you see me I say. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like, yeah man, just like up the video now, yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.